to Trippin Chechi. This is Cathy and welcome to the show where you get to know everything that's funny about while you're traveling, before you're traveling, and after you're traveling. So stay tuned, you're going to want to watch this. Okay, today we're going to talk about all the different kinds of packers. That's right, there are different kinds of packers, so let's get right into it. Number one, the roller. So this is how he's gonna fold, right? You start really neatly, it's all going well, right? And then all of a sudden it's like, oh. So now we have number two. He is the actual folder, and this is how he's gonna fold his clothes. This is what he wants to take. He's looking for all the creases so that it's properly aligned, and then he even like smoothens it out so that it doesn't move around. And then he joins it very precisely. He might even just take a scale and like make sure that it's the exact same equal length. And then he goes on to fold it like this. And then he goes on to fold it like this. As you can see, I am the number one kind of folder. And he goes on doing it till the last piece of cloth. And believe me, he's gonna do it twice. Number three, the forgetter. Are you toothbrush? Are you underwear? Are you passport? Are you my cat? Are you my grandmother? Number four, the counter. Now this is the guy who counts everything. 10 days, so 10 house clothes, 5 jeans, 7 t-shirts, 3 shoes, 1 toothbrush, 1 spare toothbrush. Number 5, the chill master. Yep, this is a guy that all of you know. He's a friend of yours and he does exactly this. He comes to every trip with the least amount of stuff packed. And this is how it looks. Yeah, bro, I mean like, I don't even know what you guys are carrying so much. Like, I just carry 1 boxer and that's about it. But what do you guys have in these bags, dude? But in reality, this is what happens to them. Macha, bro, give me 1 jacket, bro. Bro, who did not say, bro, that it's going to be so cold? Bro, just let me borrow your jacket. Number 6, this is the person who's called the ever prepared. Yes, people, this is the guy who's prepared for everything. He's got every single thing and every type of thing that you're gonna need on this trip. And maybe not all the things that you actually need, but he thinks so. Dude, do you have a pen? Pen now? What kind of pen you want? Gel pen, ink pen, ball pen? What the hell is wrong with you, bro? Bro, you have some medicine? Medicine now? Which medicine you want? You want for cold, fever, headache, cold, fever and headache? If you like this video, remember to click like, subscribe to our channel and press the notification icon because you'll get notifications on all the videos that we're posting. If you have similar funny travel stories, then remember to write it in the comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.